3 ways your diet affects your gut microbiome and health. Foods and healthy gut microbiome. Gut microbiome is the name given to the bacteria, viruses, and fungi living in your gut. A balanced diversity of these microbes is beneficial to your health, helping your body perform its many functions and maintain optimal well-being. In this third video in the series of the secrets of your gut health, you'll discover 3 ways your diet affects your gut microbiome and health. Plus, you'll find out how foods and healthy gut microbiome work together for your overall health and well-being. Gut microbiome starts to develop the moment you're born. However, over time your gut microbiome experiences major changes. Whilst various environmental factors play a part in those changes, the biggest one is your diet. All the foods that you eat go through your gut, which is the system that distributes to the rest of the body what it needs, whilst filtering out and eliminating what it doesn't need. In this video and article, we'll talk about 3 ways your diet affects your gut microbiome and health, as follows. Number 1. Your diet determines what lives in your gut. Everyone has a unique gut microbiome, and the type of diet you choose determines what kinds of microbes thrive in your gut. For instance, studies have shown that those whose diets are mainly plant-based tend to have less inflammatory bacteria in their gut, especially if they avoid processed foods. To an extent, this means that your gut microbiome should be in a better position to combat harmful inflammation, called chronic inflammation. That could otherwise lead to various diseases, illnesses, and ailments. Studies have also shown that diet can change the type of microbes in your gut in as quickly as 24 hours. However, to make a lasting change, you must eat a healthy diet consistently. Number 2. Your diet helps maintain proper gut microbiome functions. The food that you eat feeds the bacteria that are thriving in your gut. So, your diet has an essential role in keeping the diversity of the gut microbiome so that it will function properly. For this reason, it's recommended to have a varied and balanced diet to promote a healthy gut microbiome. It's also best to keep your diet diverse, but still ensuring it's the right type of food, instead of it being routine or predictable, because it helps to keep the gut microbiome diverse as well. Number 3. Foods you must include in your diet for a healthy gut microbiome. To have a diet that helps keep a healthy gut microbiome, let's look at how 5 types of foods and healthy gut microbiome make up a balanced diet. 1. Prebiotics. Prebiotics is one of the main diet elements that are widely studied when it comes to gut health. Prebiotics refers to food ingredients that are indigestible and are essential to the growth of certain species of bacteria in the gut. In other words, prebiotics are the food for the good bacteria, the probiotics, in your gut to feed on. Prebiotics can be found in vegetables, fruits and cereals, such as garlic, asparagus, leeks, bananas, apples, and almonds. 2. Polyphenols. These are considered to be prebiotics as they feed the good bacteria in your gut, that is, the probiotics. They also have high anti-inflammatory benefits, which impacts on other areas of the body, as well as in the gut. As polyphenols are predominant in fruit, vegetables and fish, it's another reason why the Mediterranean diet is so healthy. An interesting point to bear in mind for sufferers of IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, is that, initially, they may not respond well to prebiotics, and so it's another reason why helping to clean the gut with polyphenols first may be a better course of action, before introducing the prebiotics into the diet. 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms, which can help restore the balance of bacteria in the gut. However, not all probiotics are the same. Taking probiotics may help to restore the good gut bacteria when you experience infections or are taking antibiotics. However, the prebiotics feed the good bacteria that help naturally displace the bad gut bacteria, so this may well be the better option. Probiotics can be found in yogurts, fermented milk and supplements. 4. Fiber. You've probably heard many times already that you must eat fiber-rich foods for your gut health. Fibers help keep your digestive health in shape by keeping your bowel movements regular and keeping your colon cells healthy. This helps to avoid suffering with constipation, hemorrhoids, diarrhea, bloating, and wind or gas. Oats, fruits, legumes, vegetables, wheat, and seeds are rich in fiber. Just remember not to eat too much fiber, as that could cause problems as well. 5. Fermented. While there's still little scientific evidence, fermented foods are said to be good for gut health too. Fermented drinks and foods, such as kombucha and Korean kimchi, can help increase the diversity of bacteria in the gut. Kefir, yogurt, miso, and sauerkraut are some of the fermented foods that are touted to be good for gut health. Experts, however, warn not to rely on fermented foods alone in keeping your gut healthy. Summary and conclusion. Summing up then, you've discovered the following 3 ways your diet affects your gut microbiome and health by 1. Determining what lives in your gut. 2. Helping to maintain proper gut microbiome functions, and 3. Providing your gut with the right foods for it to operate efficiently. And in conclusion, 1. Your gut is what processes the foods that you eat. 2. It can only do its required tasks in accordance with how well you feed it, so it's essential to keep your diet healthy and balanced. 3. Too much processed and artificially sweetened food destroys the balance of good and bad bacteria, and in the process, this also damages your health at a cellular level. Anyone who suffers with leaky gut will likely understand this concept more than most. 4. To ensure your gut has a solid foundation, just like all organs in our body including skin, the brain, the heart, bones, muscle, as well as the immune system. It's crucial to ensure your cellular health is in balance. 5. Food that helps achieve this include oily fish like wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, mackerel and herring, and for vegans, marine algae such as seaweed is a great alternative. After all, it's what the fish eat. These provide the essential omega-3 fatty acids to ensure that your omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio is kept at a safe balance. 6. As a consequence, getting your cellular health in balance provides a good foundation to support healthy diets, and the 5 food types referred to earlier help maintain your gut microbiome in the best condition possible. The Secrets of Your Gut Health video series is continued in the next video, which looks at the gut and brain connection, and asks, how does gut health affect your mental health? We hope you found this video helpful and of interest, and please feel free to share with people you think will also find this video of interest. To get more videos like this one, why not become an exclusive subscriber of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video? And then click the grey bell icon to ensure you get notified of when the next video is uploaded. Many thanks. And feed your gut well, 'cause you're worth it.